I am Sunil Kumar Verma, hailing from Bihar. I want to tell something about the employment situation and scenario in our country and how we can tackle this problem, or rather provide some sort of solutions towards gaining some employment opportunity and job in our country at our own region, at our own village or area or city. Now how we can do this? Just we know that apprenticeship is a important link between education, skill development and getting a job. Now what happens here in India, that we have got an apprenticeship act where a provision has been made to different skilled people to have some apprenticeship opportunity or experience at some important organizations or establishments, or say some factories, industry. But nowadays, in this scenario where we have expanded the base for skill development for many people, young people, in this condition, this should also made apprenticeship a broad-based program, a program down to the community level, community participation, down to Gram Panchayat level. How we can do this? We have got very good infrastructure in our ITIs, where we impart training to the youth, industrial training and other sort of training. After training, after we award them the different certificate course for the training program, what we do? We won't do anything about the apprenticeship there at the institute level. There we can open a maintenance, repair, or even production center, utilizing some infrastructure capacities available at ITIs. Now this maintenance and repair and production center, what they can do? We have established ITIs at the block level, and we know that there is a information technology revolution going all over India. Many people are having smartphones, many people are having electronic and electrical gadgets installed at their homes. Now how can they just repair them or just maintain them? These centers will be very useful and very much contributory for the maintenance of these objects. For other type of objects which we use daily, like some sort of carpentry objects and other objects, we depend largely on the urban markets. If these things can be produced at the village level and at the block level, many people will not only gain employment, but also there is a very easy way of procuring these things. The services can also be procured by way of maintenance of these things. So what we have to do? We have to establish these centers in the ITIs, and we have to create these centers at the Gram Panchayat level. The Panchayats are very vibrant organization in our society. The rural people have much faith in their own representatives, or among their own people at the village level. And what they will do and how we will get benefit from there, because they know very well what sort of things are in demand, what they require at the village level. If somebody has got some smartphone, somebody has got some sort of hand pump, or some chulhas, gas stoves, how to maintain them, how to repair them, these services, even some production of parts, production of different type of things which relates to the artisans available in the village itself. These things can be done at these centers, and the persons who get skilled, some from the institute, government institute like government ITIs, they can easily be provided apprenticeship at those centers. We may also need some regular person, artisans, mechanics at this center to run whole things. If there is some possibility of their, say, absorbment or their employment in this center, they can be there, no doubt. But for the beginning, apprenticeship program will not only enhance their skill but also prove a very important milestone as far as the getting gainful employment in the job market in the state, in India, and even in abroad. So we have to look at this chapter, this thing about apprenticeship, as a very important tool for, as I say, an important link between a skill empowerment and, say, getting a job. This is very important, and I request our Honorable Prime Minister to look into this matter, and by the way of apprenticeship, this will provide opportunities, actual work experience opportunities for the youth who are being trained at the ITIs and by the different, say, skill giving institutions. Thank you very much.